Hey guys, we got a full video coming out here in the next week or two of this XJ, but we just got finished wrapping this up. This was a complete restoration top to bottom. It was a client's Jeep, came to us originally as a black Jeep, and we finished it in a gunmetal pearl. So exterior full color change. Every single panel on this Jeep was removed to do the color change. We'll show you trim, weather stripping, everything's removed. And when we do our color changes, we actually spend just as much time prepping and finishing the door jambs as we do the doors or anything that you see. So if you look at the finish of the actual jambs, it gets the same amount of prep work, wet sanding, buffing, so the end result looks absolutely brand new. Every nook and cranny, every bracket is all done. That's throughout the entire Jeep, not just in the door jambs, engine bay, everything. Stage 2 package, all new suspension top to bottom. Every single suspension component down to bushings and brackets and hardware is all brand new. There's nothing remaining on this Jeep that was original. Same goes for the steering. Steering is brand new top to bottom. Underneath this Jeep, nothing is kept on. Everything's brand new, including the braking system, which you see there is drilled and slotted, new calipers, new pads. Everything gets dropped underneath, everything completely redone. ARB lockers front and rear, as mentioned. Those are our exclusive DAS Moab wheels with a 0 offset. We're the only ones with these wheels. If you take a look at that back wheel from here, really nice offset on that. Tires are a little bit dirty from us testing it. Paint came out absolutely beautiful, all color chromatic, requested by the customer. They didn't want the trim or any emblems. Very nice and clean. New windshield, new seal, all that obviously is removed when we paint it. Engine is all brand new top to bottom. It's our engine that we build here in-house. We have a huge mess going on right now because we have construction in here, but take a look over there. There's 4 engines that we just pulled over there. Once again, excuse the mess, doing some concrete polishing work. So new engine, that is a complete engine. So cylinder head, crank, cam, pistons, ring, rod, bearings, timing chain, oil pump, everything. It's not just a typical rebuild. This also has a brand new AC system, top to bottom, new cooling system, new exhaust system, so full-fledged. Inside was completely gutted as well. You notice when you open the doors, it's nice and quiet, new hinges, new checks, all that. It's all brand new. A little bit of dirt from us driving, but all new dyno mat throughout, new carpet, new leather seats. We also added heated seats. This originally was not a factory cruise control. We incorporated a factory cruise control setup, navigation, backup camera, your ARB lockers, new headliner throughout. All brackets are all brand new. Once again, perf inserts on the seats. Just super, super clean. We do add the pockets on the back seats as well. They requested a tow hitch, so we took care of that for them. We did our custom exhaust that we always get asked about. Really nice and clean, tucked up. That's something that we do custom here in-house as well. You can barely even see the tip. I think nothing worse than a tip hanging down low. Once again, just look at the paint. These color changes are obviously very tedious and time consuming, but done right. There's not one single tape line on this Jeep anywhere. You can just see how flat that clear coat is. All that's just from prepping and completing it the right way. All new screws get installed and everything once we're wrapped up. Still little odds and ends that we have to do. Go ahead and hardware for everything. We don't reuse any hardware. Every screw is brand new. Gray tin hardware. Have another Jeep getting rebuilt. That's a customer's Jeep, another customer's Jeep. This was originally not a mall screen Pearl. It is now converting over to a mall screen Pearl. All new engine, suspension, doors will go back on. This got out the booth about 2 or 3 weeks ago. This is a 93 that we're wrapping up a full-fledged restoration on. It's going to be wrapped up soon. That's a customer's that we're just starting as well. This is getting an all new engine. The complete drive line is getting done. This one's gonna become a OEM sort of restoration. That's sold that we're building for a customer as well. But if you have any interest of us rebuilding your XJ, or you're interested in buying one of ours, you can contact us at 855-XJ Jeeps. That's 855-955-3377. Thank you.